Are you looking for organic and fast ways to improve your eyesight? You've come to the right place. Many people struggle with vision problems, often relying on corrective lenses. But what if you could support your vision naturally? Eye strain, blurriness, and fatigue are common issues. Organic methods focus on nourishing your eyes and addressing root causes without invasive measures. While true vision correction takes time, incorporating simple, consistent natural habits can lead to noticeable improvements in eye comfort and function quickly. The first step to better vision is through what you eat. Nutritional deficiencies often manifest in eye health problems. Vitamin A is crucial for good vision, particularly in low light. Incorporate foods like carrots and sweet potatoes into your daily diet. Omega-3 fatty acids support retinal function and help prevent dry eyes. Aim for sources like fatty fish or flaxseed oil. Lutein and zeaxanthin are powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from damage. You can find them abundantly in leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale. Just like the rest of your body, your eye muscles benefit from regular exercise, often referred to as ocular yoga. The palming technique involves gently covering your closed eyes with your palms. This blocks out light and allows your eyes to deeply relax, reducing strain. Practice the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. This is vital for reducing digital strain. Simple eye rolling and tracing a figure-8 pattern with your eyes can strengthen eye muscles and improve flexibility. Beyond diet and exercises, making simple adjustments to your environment and daily routine can dramatically support your vision. Long hours in front of screens cause fatigue. Use blue light filters, adjust screen brightness, and ensure your workspace is well lit to reduce strain. Quality sleep allows your eyes to repair and regenerate. Aim for 7 to 9 hours to ensure your visual system is fully rested. Dehydration can affect your eyes, leading to dryness and irritation. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your eyes lubricated and healthy. Improving your eyesight organically and fast is achievable by adopting these simple, powerful habits into your daily life. Focus on nutrient-rich foods, practice daily eye exercises, reduce screen time, and prioritize rest and hydration for noticeable improvements. Consistency is key. Stick with these organic methods, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your eyes respond and your vision clarity improves.